Air conditioning water leaks around your unit are usually a sign that your drain lines are clogged, and ignoring that can mess up your whole system. So first, check if your air conditioner's condensate drain line is blocked by dirt or algae. It's super common. You can grab a wet-dry vacuum and suck out the clog from the drain line's outdoor end, or use a flexible brush to clear it out gently. Pour a cup of white vinegar or bleach down the drain line every few months to keep algae from building up again. Just don't overdo it, or you might damage parts. Make sure the drain pan under your air handler is clean and not cracked, because if it's full or broken, water will spill out. Keep an eye on your air filter too. A dirty filter messes with airflow and causes excess moisture that can overflow the drain. If you're noticing water pooling near the indoor unit, check that the drain line has a proper slope so water flows out easily. Also, clear any debris like leaves or dirt around the outdoor unit that might block drainage. Lastly, schedule yearly maintenance with a pro to catch issues early and keep everything running smooth. One of the biggest mistakes people make with air conditioning water leaks is ignoring clogged condensate drain lines until water starts flooding inside. This can cause mold and damage drywall, so fix clogs as soon as possible by cleaning or vacuuming the drain. Another common issue is not cleaning or replacing dirty air filters, which leads to poor airflow and excess condensation that overwhelms the drain system. Swapping filters monthly helps a lot. Lastly, folks sometimes forget to check if the drain pan is cracked or rusted out, which makes leaks worse. Just replace the pan if you spot cracks or holes to avoid water damage. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners easily find trusted local contractors who know how to handle air conditioning repairs without hassle. Plus, it gives contractors a solid way to connect with customers and get steady work in their area.